So what has come off the trailer? It is a Triumph 1200cc Thruxton parallel twin. It is a 2017 edition. I just got it from the salvage auction. It is a bit smashed up compared to some of the other bikes that I bought. The Bonneville has sold, the Triumph Bonneville, so it's good to get another Triumph in the stable. And my SV650 is going to be sold. The track day season has finished. So I'm going to show you what is wrong with this one, and we're going to try and work out what happened to it, what caused the crash. Now, this bike was obviously owned by a right hooligan, because I think he was doing burnouts on the back tyre because it's sort of squared off along here. And then I'm pretty sure that he tried to pull a wheelie and he flipped it, because the back light is missing here. And there's also a scratch just here. And the seat has been destroyed, that's missing. But then when you come up here and you see the clocks are broken as well. And also the switch gear on both sides is broken, and it has a big dent in the tank. And now I know that it looks like a lot of damage, but it's kind of like easily sorted out, so I'm not particularly that bothered about it. Now I do have also a bent key for it, and if you put it in the ignition, it does come on, but this part of the LED, which tells you how many miles it's done, is broken, and it won't start because I think this switch gear is smashed, and so yeah, then nothing happens. It's probably smashed in the off position. So yeah, so I'm looking at spending quite a bit of money to sort this one out, but it's going to be like my winter project bike. And also, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I really wanted the Thruxton R, which is the one with the Öhlins suspension, the better quality Thruxton, but I thought I'd give this a go. Then if I like it, if a Thruxton R comes up, then I'll get one of those. But yeah, super excited about this bike, and yeah, give me a thumbs up on this one.